Hey guys, AJ here, back with another one for you. So guys, back to the courtroom we go for some courtroom madness, guys. And yeah, today we have a woman who laid down and got pregnant by a deadbeat who owes $10,000 in arrears. And then they get a new court order and he has to pay her $75 a month. And she doesn't have nice things to say to the judge. So, guys, we'll get into this. But before we do, guys, like, subscribe, drop a comment. It really helps keep this channel going, guys. Join the lives. Those will be in the community tabs, guys. And check out my second channel that is linked in the description, guys. Let's get into this.
Mr.
Oh, and guys, this is from Looking Illegal Stuff's channel. I'll drop the link to this channel and the video just in case you don't want to hear my big mouth and you want to watch it all the way through by itself.
Brooks, would you raise your right hand and tell me that your hand is in the air?
My hand in the air.
Mr. Brooks, do you solemnly swear the testimony you're about to give is the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, sir.
Thank you, sir. You can put your hand down. Mr. Sled, are you handling this case for state?
Yes, Your Honor.
You have any other witnesses besides the parties?
No other witnesses, Your Honor.
You can, case them in college, you can call your first witness.
Thank you. Before I do that, I'll ask the court to take judicial notice of the prior order in this case.
The court will take judicial notice of its own file, including the controlling support order.
Thank you, Your Honor. And I will call Ms. Nelson. Ms. Nelson, what is your full name?
Brianna Monique Bell.
What is the name of the child that we're here for today?
Bella Brooks.
And back in the year 2020, did this court order Mr. Brooks to pay to you child support monthly?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Did this court also order Mr. Brooks to pay to you medical support monthly?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Has Mr. Brooks made all of those payments?
No, sir.
Okay. Your Honor, at this time, I'll offer the pay record in this case as State's Exhibit A.
Look at that, guys.
Ms. Nelson, I've just placed on the screen a copy.
Look at that arrears. $10,000. Look at that. No payment, no payment, no payment. Whoa, look at that.
The alleged pay record between you and Mr. Brooks. Is it okay if I look at this pay record?
Yes, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. Mr. Brooks, the same question. Is it okay if I look at this pay record?
Yes, sir.
Thank you very much. Your State's Exhibit A is admitted into evidence.
Okay, I'll pass the witness, Your Honor.
Okay. Call your next witness.
And I'll call Mr. Brooks. Oh, Mr. Brooks, can you say your full name?
DeAndre Jared Brooks.
And around 2020, were you ordered to pay child support and medical support monthly to Ms. Nelson?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Did you make all those payments?
I gave her a few payments. Well, not like the child support, but I gave her like a few cash payments here and there.
That means no, guys. And this is why ladies, to any female subscribers I might have, ladies, do not get knocked up by a deadbeat. All right, you are in control of who has sex and who is born, so be careful.
Okay. How much in those cash payments did you pay her?
How much?
A few $50, few $20 here, $10 here, stuff like that.
Okay. When did you make those payments?
I'm not sure of the exact dates.
Okay. Do you have any evidence of those payments here today?
No.
I pass the witness, Your Honor.
Call your next witness.
No further witnesses. State rest.
All right. So, Mr. Brooks, the pay record shows you're, I don't know, looks like about $9,200 behind in child support at the end of last month and another $1,000 behind in medical support at the end of last month. And you're telling me under oath that you made some cash payments directly to Miss Nelson. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
All right. So they didn't go through my court like they're supposed to, right?
Because I just found out how to do it from the lady that I was in the other meeting with. She just told me the website and all that. I wasn't aware of how to.
And guys, always, if you're on child support through the court, guys, pay the court. And don't give her extra money or any of that because it doesn't count. Okay? Guys, if you're on child support, I would say only pay what you're owed. I mean, only do what you are legally required to do, guys. Don't give extra. Don't give her cash or any of that stuff. Keep it to yourself. Now let's skip ahead a little bit, guys.
Squared away.
Excuse me, can I ask you a question?
Sure you can.
It would be to Ms. Wagner. Would that be like when you contact me? Would that be like you call my phone, or how would that? You email
Probably.
me?
Phone
Yes,
and email, probably, yes, sir.
All right.
Well, that's why I don't want you to give the information now because I'm live on the internet. Let's wait till afterwards, and then it'll
Yes,
be.
yes, sir. I was just asking.
Yeah, no, that's good. The court's going to find, the court has jurisdiction. The court's going to find based on the testimony of the parties. I'm going to confirm the child support arrears as per State Exhibit A and find as of the end of September 2023, Mr. Brooks is behind the child support the amount of $9,181.17 and medical support the amount of $1,058.52. Those arrears are going to be as of September the 30th of 2023. Mr. Brooks is going to be ordered to pay the child support arrears back at a rate of $75 a month and the medical support arrears at an additional rate of $15 a month. Those payments beginning November the 1st.
$75 a month, dude, and then $15 a month. This lady probably heard that Mr. Brooks or whatever his name had a job, and she's like, "Ooh, I'm taking him to court. I'm gonna get my money." Only to come into court and find out. Guess what, guys?
You've been had. You've been took. You've been hoodwinked, bamboozled, led astray, run amok.
2023. Mr. Brooks is being ordered and referred into the NCP Choices program. Mr. Brooks will also be responsible for my court costs, but I'll give him until April the 30th of 2024 to pay my court costs. Mr. Schlitt, does that take care of all the
Here it
issues
comes.
in this case
Here it
before me
comes.
today?
No, sir.
I didn't ask you, Miss Nelson. I
I'm
asked
just
Mr.
saying,
Schlitt.
well, when am I going to get some help? Because he's been on child support 3 years now, and I'm working 2 jobs and going to school to take care of my child, and I'm not having.
Oh, and guys, there is some misandry on this page, okay? On this channel. You know, this channel tries to be balanced in that when the woman's acting crazy, yes, but then there is some misandry on here too.
Having no help, and y'all not doing nothing. If y'all
Y'all-
can't help me, y'all can just
y'all-
take them off child support altogether, and that's fine. If I'm gonna do it by myself, I'm not about to keep coming back to court, wasting my time every time I get on here. He
Then
not
don't show
doing
up, Miss Nelson. You don't have to show up here if you don't want to.
Okay, well, you could just go ahead and you could cancel all this. You could just take them off child support today.
I've already made my ruling today, Miss Nelson. I'm
Oh
not
well, I
changing
could
my
just
mind.
go file it and take it off as soon as I get off the hearing.
Good luck to you, Miss Nelson. You're free to go.
Exactly.
Here it comes.
Dumbass judge.
Ooh, he should have held her in contempt right there, man. That's the thing about these modern women, man. They will give coochie up to anyone and get knocked up by anyone and then get mad in court when all they get is $75 a month. Guys, let me know what you think. Because if I was that judge, she'd be doing 5 days in jail, 10 days in jail for contempt of court. That's what I'd do. But obviously, guys, it's court, so they always take it easy on chicks. All right, you guys, let me know what you think. If you like videos just like this one, guys, check out the playlist linked at the end. And yeah, guys, I'll see you in the next one. Have a good one, guys.